Yo guys, so hopefully you're all doing well. I sprayed this with some Lysol already. My package came in, I ordered last week, and I'm just waiting for gun buyer to tell me that the St. Rose, the St. Victor's in, so I could have the boss order it for me. They had a great price. Not saying it will be with all the panic buying when they get more in. I waited too long just because I was hemming and hawing. But yeah, man, got my Romeo, Sig Sauer Romeo 5. I'll put the link on this sucker down there. It was 119 bucks shipped, so beating Palmetto State Armory, that the price that they had. So I'm just waiting, like I said, gun buyer. I'm waiting for the Saint. I want the Springfield St. Victor is what I'm looking to get for a pistol to keep in the car with our trying times ahead of us. But yeah, this little thing's pretty nice. I could probably throw it on something real quick just to play. Let's see if we can see through this. I don't know if it's the batteries on there.
What is that?
It's a red dot. I'll show you in a minute. How the heck?
How much money do you get it for?
Cheap. What the fudge? Yeah, I guess I should look at the directions on how to turn the thing on. Do you think it'd just be a push button? Oh, there it goes. Is that it? No. Probably no battery in it. That's probably what, yeah. No battery. I'm just excited to open the box. Like I said, I sprayed for Corona. We all gotta be safe.
Perfect.
Throw this on top of the H&K or something right now. No, I can put it on M1A. Send it and stuff like that. So, but it does come with the low profile and the tall, the high profile. I like Todd. I like the way your Saint set up. You got this sucker on it and stuff. Whoa. And I'll end up, like I said, I'm just waiting for him to come in. I'm gonna buy him. Mom's already on the list, so I could get one coming. And yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So negative. Let's see what this does. This is a CR. It comes with an Energizer CR 2032. I'll have to buy some more of those. Negative. It feels really nice, you know. I don't know what it's made of, aluminum. I'm sure it's made out of aluminum and stuff. But oh yeah. So where is it? I know I seen it. Oh, that's my return light. So what am I doing wrong here? Okay. Ah, there it is. So, I don't know if we could pick that up on here, because my parallax, whatever this, you're looking through it. There, I think I could see it. Some white paper or something here. But, so, oh, lost the camera action. Ooh, took its first hit.
What are you doing now?
Nothing. There it is, nice and bright. Trying to get the red dot to show up. You won't see, it's not a laser, it's a red dot, it's all internal. And I won't tell if it's on the camera at all. Oh yeah, I got it cranked up now, maybe we'll pick, there it is, now you can see it in there. So God bless, fun. So there it is, I'll show you in a second, I'll let you look through it, Johnny. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I can't wait to get it on a gun and start dialing it in. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all safe and self-quarantine, social distancing. See you guys.